My name is Joanne Archibald. I'm also known as Kwam Kwam Huyam, and I carry a second Indigenous name, which is Setsiwathden Snu Stanik. The meaning of that name is a helper who passes on teachings to others. I'm Stalo, which is a Indigenous nation. I had the privilege and the honor of learning from many Indigenous elders, and they really helped me become the person I am today. While I was teaching in the Chilliwack School District, there was an Indigenous teacher education program called NITEP, which is Native Indian Teacher Education Program, and I quite enjoyed that experience. So at that point, I began taking on more of a mentoring role. I kind of consider it a form of intergenerational mentoring, which fits in with Indigenous ways of learning. One teaching we have is that if you have that opportunity to learn from others, you then have a responsibility of passing on that knowledge to others who are of a younger generation. The way I mentor now, is take Indigenous principles or teachings and relate those important ways of mentoring individually and mentoring in a small group based on some of the principles that I have learned from Indigenous elders. Part of what I do is help others become a mentor. What I have done is help to establish a province-wide peer support network, where then the graduate students can then help each other. I've also felt, now that I am a grandmother, a Sisala, that it is important for me to carry on that important intergenerational role. I'm very honored to receive the Killam Award for Excellence in Mentoring. It means that Indigenous ways of knowing, being, interacting, helping is valued by many others.